my God, guys, this is amazing. Like, literally, I am so shocked and blown away beyond expectation. Literally, I was like, if Nigerians get to see that what we want or expect today doesn't happen, there will be World War III. Yes, of course. So guys, you know that for weeks now, Nigerians have been battling one issue. The fact that Comfort has the craziest fan base of any Nigerian Idol contestants from season 1 till this point. No cap. This lady has been voted time and time again, and she got to the top 4. Now, this is not hating on somebody who has strived to see that her dreams come through, but literally girl sings like primary school rhymes. Like, I keep wondering, how do they cope? The only thing that makes her performances very nice is because of the instrumentalists and the band. The backup were literally her singers, and she was like the follow-up. Like, I don't understand how she got to that point, but most Nigerians were saying that, oh, Comfort is just a pity vote. It is not pity votes. Comfort has earned my respect because she has the strongest fan base. Nobody has ever voted for any contestant that they feel were not talented like this. In fact, go to her performances when they're posted on YouTube and see comments for yourself. Like, this is not me hating, but I respect her. So today it is time to announce the top 3 on that would get to the finale of the Nigerian Idol competition. Let me tell you this, my heart was racing from literally last week to this point because I voted for my favorite. And sorry, Comfort, you ain't my favorite. Sorry, girl. I ain't hating. So today they announced the top 3. It started by calling, in no particular order, there was Frances and there was Kindo, and it was left with the last 2 ladies standing. That was Comfort and Akuna. It was left to choose who was going to be on the top 3 and who was going home. The suspense. The suspense was nerve-wracking, and I was like, y'all ain't gonna joke with me because I'm not in my house right now. I'm not in my house. I'm somewhere, and I cannot, you know, wear my costume and everything and make the video. And when it was announced that I couldn't have made it to the top 3, I screamed. I screamed so loud that, whoo, damn, this is heart lifting. Like, literally, there was going to be war if Comfort got to the top 3 because I don't understand. Each time she's singing, I get offended. I get offended for my time being wasted and all that. But congratulations, Akuna, and congratulations, Comfort, for getting to the top 4. Thousands of people didn't think.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
So beautiful. Bittersweet moment for us here at Nigerian Idol. I love it. Thank you so much, Comfort. We'll see you again in the future, no doubt. Thank you for being a